Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to my channel, Learn Snowflake with Ravi Dacharla. So in this video, we are discussing about the difference between row number, rank, and dense rank. This is the most common asked interview question in any SQL and Snowflake interviews. So what is the difference between row number and rank and dense rank? So these three functions we are treated as a window functions in Snowflake and SQL. So let's begin. Try to understand what is row number, what is rank, and what is dense rank, and its differences. So first of all, row number. So in row number, each row gets a unique number, even if values are the same. For example, we can take a classroom example. We have the students like Ravi and another Ravi, and we can take Hari. Okay, so these three people are in the class. For example, so I want to assign row number to these three peoples. Okay, so I am assigning like this: one, sorry, one row number one Ravi, and row number two Ravi, and row number three Ravi. So here I am assigning like each row gets a unique number means Ravi same name, row number was one. Second have the same name but different person. Okay, so assign two, right? So you're taking the name only as a priority. So it means each row gets a unique number even if the values are same. Here Ravi same, but here while assigning the row number we are assigning 1 and 2, right? So it means here no duplicates allowed in ranking. It means row numbers. So 1 is different, 2 is different, right? So and Hari 3. Got it? So row number, each row gets a unique number even if values are the same. So we can apply same this row number logic in our example table. For example, I'm having the table like employee ID, employee name, and salary. I want to assign the row number based on the salary. Okay, so first salary was 90,000. Okay, so I'm assigning 1, and same second salary also 90,000. As we discussing, even if values are the same, okay, each row gets a unique number. So 2, right, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Got it? So these are the row numbers for the salary. Okay, so each row gets a unique number even if the values are same. No duplicates in the ranking. In the ranking also we didn't find any duplicate. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, there is no duplicate in the ranking also. So while coming to the rank function, so in rank function it allows same rank to the duplicate values, and next rank skips numbers. Okay, so we can see in the real time scenarios like this. Okay, for the rank. Okay, so first of all 90,000 as usual, the first one. So for the second also we have the 90,000, right? So here in the rank, so same rank to the duplicate values. Here 90,000 already we are in the rank 1, and again we have the duplicate value 90,000. Okay, so it means here also we are assigning the rank 1 only, same rank to the duplicate values. Okay, next we have the 80,000. Okay, so for this here clear mention, next rank skips numbers. It means 90,000 Amit first, 90,000 Ravi also first, and 80,000 Neha. It comes to third rank. Okay, it means it skips the numbers. So when these two values are the same, it assigns the same rank because these are two the duplicate values, and for the third one, okay, it skips the number. It means second number was skipped here. So directly rank assigned to the 3 at the same way. So after that 75, 4, right? After 3, 4 only. Next again we have the same value for Sita. Kiran also have 75,000 and Sita also have 75,000. So again here we are assigning the rank like 4. Okay. Next Raju having 70,000. So previous rank was 4 and before previous also 4. So it skips the 5 and assign the 6th to the Raju. At the same time, after 6 Mano 60,000, it was a 7 and Puja was 8. So you got the difference between the row number and rank. So in row number, each row gets a unique number even if values are the same. But in rank, if there is a duplicates, it assign the same rank. Okay. Next rank skips numbers. Gap in ranking. It means if we have the same values, duplicate values, same values, it assign the same rank, and for the next number, it skip the continuity number, right? Here 1 1, it skip the 2 and assign 3. Okay, got it? Generally, after 1, we are having 2, but here it skip the number because here duplicate values is there, so it assign the same rank 1 1. Okay, and coming to the dense rank. So in dense rank, same rank for the duplicate values like rank function, but here no gap in the ranking. In rank we have the gap, but here no gaps in the rank, and next rank increased by 1. Let's say example Amit, same 90,000 first, and Ravi 90,000 first. Okay, so for the duplicate values we are essence same values 90 to 90,000 1 and 1 like rank. But while coming to the Neha 80,000, dense rank didn't skip the numbers. It means here it was assigning second rank, right? So Neha it the second rank. But while coming to the rank, it skips the number. But in next rank, it didn't skip the number. So it means no gaps in the rank 1, 1, and 2. So Kiran 75 was 3, and same Sita 75 was also 3, and Raju having 4, and Manoj 5, and Puja 6. So like this dense rank assigning the rankings. Okay, so these are the difference between row number, rank, and dense rank. So in row number, each row gets unique number even if values are the same. Okay, next while coming to the rank, duplicate values we need to assign the same rank. It means it assign the same rank, and next rank skips the number. It means gaps in the ranking. And coming to the dense rank, it assign the same rank to the duplicate values, and next rank increased by 1. It means there is no gap in the ranking like rank function. So this is the difference between the row number, rank, and dense rank. Got it? So in coming video we are using these window functions, row number, rank, and dense rank, and real time scenarios where we are using these functions in our project. Okay, so try to watch the video fully and to understand what is the difference between row number, rank, and dense rank. This is the most common asking interview question in any SQL and Snowflake. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.